Let's fly over Gordons Bay wastewater treatment plant. Anyone like to comment down below what's happening down there? I've looked all over the interwebs to try and find out exactly what's happening there, and perhaps it isn't all what it seems. If anyone knows, share the news, please. It'd be interesting to find out. Please stay informed. Keep me informed. Don't let it all fly over your head.